Welcome to Lesson 5 of Introduction to Data Management course. This lesson covers data integration capability. After this lesson, you will be able to understand different scenarios of data integration, such as ETL, ELT, batch and real-time integration, as well as people, process and technology aspects of data integration. When we talk about data flows, there are two sides of equation. On one side, there are data producers, and on the other side, there are data consumers. In the middle, there is a process, which moves and transforms data from its original format in source systems, into target systems, and format that fits data consumers' business needs. That process is called data integration.
Data integration refers to the process and technologies for data movement from source data systems to target data systems. On its way, data are transformed in order to fit business requirements.
On its way, from data producers to data consumers, data can go through multiple source to target layers. For example, from operational sources into staging area, from staging area into data warehouse, etc.
Now, let's discuss data integration scenarios. First scenario is ETL, which is acronym of extract, transform and load. ETL refers to the data integration approach, where data are extracted from source systems, then going through transformation process, and ends up by loading in target system. ETL scenario is typical for data warehouse systems.
Let's see how ETL scenario actually works. As a first step, we extract data from operational sources, and that refers to the letter E, from ETL abbreviation. As a next step, data are transformed into required format. That refers to the letter T in ETL abbreviation. Typical transformations are different kind of calculations or aggregations, for example total revenue per quarter, for each regional office. Finally, transformed data are loaded into target system and available for use by data consumer. That refers to the letter L in ETL abbreviation.
Another, slightly different scenario is ELT, which is abbreviation of extract, load and transform. ELT refers to the data integration approach, where data are extracted from source systems and then loaded into target system without any transformation. Transformation of data is performed later in the target system. ELT scenario is typical for big data and Hadoop systems.
Let's see how ELT scenario actually works. Same as in previous scenario, the process starts with data extraction from operational sources, which refers to letter E from ELT abbreviation. As a next step, data are loaded into the target system, in its native format, without any transformation. That refers to letter L in ELT abbreviation. Finally, data are transformed in the target system in order to fit data consumer requirements. That refers to letter T in ELT abbreviation. Now, let's look data integration capability from the time perspective. Considering the time and number of transactions, there are two ways to do data integration: batch processing and real-time processing.
In batch processing, a large group of transactions are collected, and the data is processed during a single run. Here are some considerations about batch processing. Because of the large volume of data, the process must run when resources are less busy, usually overnight. Batch processing postpones access to data, requires close supervision, and there is possibility for downtime. Due to postponed access to data, you miss out on the knowledge of your business until after it's happened. And problems that occurs during batch processing can delay the entire process, so you need support personnel to closely monitor while it runs.
On the other hand, in real-time processing, small groups of transactions are processed on demand. Here are some considerations about real-time processing. The advantage of real-time processing is that gives instantaneous access to data, runs with fewer resources, and improves uptime. With real-time integration of data, you have knowledge of your business as transactions occur. If an error occurs, it can be handled immediately. And it is more difficult to design real-time processing. While systems with real-time processing require more effort to design and implement, the benefit to your business can be huge. That is specifically related to the fact that in real-time processing, information required for business decisions is available immediately.
From the process perspective, data integration is closely related to application development, applications that move data from source to target. Hence, data integration process should be part of SDLC, System Development Life Cycle. In reference to course objectives, this slide covers process aspect of data integration. The key role in data integration is Data Integration Specialist. Data Integration Specialist is responsible to perform activities associated with the data integration. Although this is the role specific to data integration, Data Integration Specialist will closely work with business owners, data stewards, technical owners, data custodians, MDM specialists, and data architects. Key responsibilities refers to the data design and implementation of data integration applications, including defining mapping specifications, design and implementation of data integration jobs, etc. In reference to course objectives, this slide covers people aspect of data integration.
As any other capability, data integration process requires support of specialized tools in order to provide meaningful output, an effective and efficient data integration process. The key features of data integration tools should be as follows: ability to perform real-time and batch processing, ability to perform change data capture, or, in other words, identify changed records, ability to perform powerful transformation, unstructured and unstructured data, and ability for comprehensive error handling operations. In reference to course objectives, this slide covers people aspect of data integration. Finally, it's time for key takeaways for data integration capability.
Data integration refers to data movement from data producers, or data sources, to data consumers, or data targets. Most common data integration scenarios are ETL, also known as extract, transform and load, and ELT, known as extract, load and transform. Data integration can be based on batch or real-time processing. Real-time processing is common to big data environments. Key role in data integration is data integration specialist. Key features of data integration tools are related to ability to do batch and real-time processing, change data capture, and error handling. That's all for Lesson 5, and data integration capability. Now, take some fun and complete the quiz to check your knowledge. The next lesson is about analytics capability.